Welcome back to Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2022. So best wishes for the season, for the whole new year. We're gonna be showing off this Varnish. Total boat lost. And I got this Varnish from Jamestown distributors out in Rhode Island. And you've seen my video earlier on this Varnish. I still stand by this Varnish, and both Varnishes are similar. This one, Seahawk, is a little darker in color. The Lost, lighter in color, amber color, but both Varnish dries fast, quick build up, good UV protection. And I took some notes on this one because I don't talk about the Varnish or promote the Varnish unless I use that Varnish and it works for me. So you'll see the table that I varnish with, this Lost Varnish. And I took some notes. Number one, no alligators. You could actually varnish this, actually put on 3 coats back to back, even 4 coats back to back, waiting at least half an hour in between to an hour in between, and no alligators. I really push my limit with this Varnish to really see if I'm gonna get alligators like I would get if I were using Captain's Varnish or Allspa Varnish. 0 alligators. It dries in like 15 minutes. It's recommended to wait an hour before applying a second and even a third coat. Excellent UV protection, quick build up, it's a glossy finish, and also, like the other Varnish doesn't offer, this Varnish comes in matte finish or gloss finish. So it's excellent for if you're doing like a companionway or floorboards. Even the matte finish has UV. So this is a plus. Let me see the other notes that I took. You could get the job done in half the time with this Varnish, either of those Varnish. Now this Varnish I said I got from Jamestown distributors, and this one I got from Island Marine in St. Thomas. So yeah, so as we say, we're promoting working smarter and not harder. We're getting the job done in half the time. By using this Varnish, rather than a table coming to my shop, I used to take 2 to 3 weeks to finish a table. I can actually finish a table between 5 to 7 days, from 0 Varnish to 10 coats of Varnish in 5 to 7 days. And I'm not kidding you. With either of those Varnish, I can do that and have the table looking like glass. 5 to 7 days. So with new products on the market, we are promoting working smarter and not harder. So this is Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Look at the video. We're promoting smarter working. Until then, keep on keeping on. Happy New Year. Quote number 1.
Like Mr. T had. Use your drone. Put your drone up in the air so you can see where these traffic pockets are. Drones, cameras, you know, you gotta have a sense of what's going on. You can sit on your phone, Chester, in your car and see what's going on with the traffic. That's what we gotta use technology. Thank you, Mr. T, for that traffic report. Good morning. I think I need to take a look at that board. And that's what they call it. They call it say before. That's what they call it. The caller last caller was talking about merging. Now since they know the first phase of the land base, the veterans rights have now been completed and they have to merge there to go in to go on the roadway to go to the legislation to go right. Veterans right. Right. The lane that is the outer lane, not the inner lane. The outer lane, they have to merge in.
Total boat lost. Cut number 1. Cut number 2. 25 minutes later, cut number 2. Hot cutting can be a little tricky. You gotta keep your eyes and not lose track of the areas that's already done. It's a little tricky, but check it out, no alligators. It's just laying down here, second coat, 25 minutes later, no alligators. Yeah, you gotta actually look at it on the side to really see, not lose track of the areas that's done. And I'm putting it on thick as well.
On Christmas, and I was thinking about myself as a child. If you would have gave me a book when I was a child, I would have been like, Mom, I read all the time, but on Christmas, I just wanted a toy. And I mean, maybe you think different, but when I was a child, if you would have gave me a book, I would have been kind of disappointed because I wanted a road racing set. When children, to me, when children are children, they want to just play sometimes. Now,
So cut number 2 with the total boat lost 25 minutes after cut number 1. Alright, I'm getting ready for cut number 3 with the total lost. And check it out, do a close up here. After cut number 2, you could see there's no alligators. No alligators. Check it out. Even some areas where I put it on a little heavy, not one alligator. You cannot get away with doing that with captains or Allspa. So cut number 3. When I do this, you could cut it off and then. After I do this, you'll pause it. And it's flowing nice. I'm putting it on thick. Okay, good one. So this is coat number 3 with the total lost in the same day. So I did the first coat. I waited 25 minutes to 30 minutes. I give the second coat. The third coat, I waited an hour, and I give the third coat. And check it out, do a close up here. There are no alligators. Absolutely no alligator. Miss a little spot here. Let me just take care of that. You gotta look at it closely. But no alligators, and that's my main thing. Usually when you hot coat stuff, you know, the captain's varnish, schooner varnish, even epiphin varnish, depends on your climate, you get alligators. I like this varnish, and earlier I did a video on this other varnish, the Captain's Jack varnish. So those two varnishes I'm gonna be using a little more often, and I like them. I'm gonna be replacing them with Allspa. I used to use Allspa when I'm building up tables. It gives you a quick finish, quick build up. There's no more Allspa for whatever reason going on with Allspa All Grip Company, and I'm using the Captain's Jack or the Total Boat Lost. Those two varnish are fast drying varnish and quick build up, shiny finish, and it get the job done faster. Again, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance is all about working smarter and not harder. So until then, we're gonna say keep on keeping on. Final coat on this little coffee table. Single coat, coat number 10. Nice gloss.